A new AI powerhouse is making waves in the tech industry, and it's not coming from Silicon Valley. Meet DeepSeek, a Chinese AI company that's redefining the game with its powerful and cost-efficient open-source models. Could this be the beginning of a new era in artificial intelligence? Let's find out. DeepSeek was founded in 2023 by Liang Wenfeng, a former hedge fund co-founder, and is based in Hangzhou, China. While many companies in the AI race are shrouded in secrecy, DeepSeek is taking a different approach: open-source AI, available to researchers and developers worldwide. In January 2025, DeepSeek unveiled its R1 model, an AI system with advanced reasoning capabilities. It performs exceptionally well in mathematics and coding, rivaling OpenAI's ChatGPT at a fraction of the cost. Unlike big tech companies pouring billions into AI, DeepSeek developed R1 with just $6 million worth of computing power from NVIDIA's H800 chips. This budget-friendly approach has turned heads in the AI industry. DeepSeek's AI assistant quickly shot to the top of Apple's App Store in the US, surpassing even ChatGPT. This rapid adoption has sparked concerns about shifting AI dominance from the US to China. Unlike many US AI firms, DeepSeek believes in open-source AI. By making their models accessible, they're enabling researchers worldwide to innovate and push the boundaries of artificial intelligence. But is this a double-edged sword? Could open-source AI accelerate global advancements or pose security risks? DeepSeek's rise is already impacting US tech stocks and raising debates about the future of AI development strategies. Will efficiency and openness define the next generation of AI, or will proprietary models continue to dominate? One thing is clear: DeepSeek is a force to be reckoned with in the AI world. What do you think? Will DeepSeek reshape the AI landscape, or will Silicon Valley strike back? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this deep dive into AI, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for more tech insights. Thanks for watching.